We're based in beautiful Grand Rapids, Michigan.
My grandfather started it over 50 years ago. I think it's a pretty cool legacy to have 3 generations of Scarletts here. And
3D printed parts is additive manufacturing solutions provider. It's a little different than the core of Scarlett's business. So to that end, we produce parts on demand. Internally, we're running the Pro X200 direct metal printer from 3D Systems, as well as 2 multi-jet printers and the latest in technology, Figure 4. Metal is by far the most interesting to all of our customers, not only for prototyping, but also looking at the tooling applications for injection molding or high pressure die casting. Metal printing brings new geometries to conformal cooling that just were really unimaginable 20 years ago. We can get cooling channels to within 2 millimeters of the face of an injection mold tool. There's just really no other way to manufacture those. Conformal cooling integrated into injection mold inserts can reduce cycle times anywhere from 35% all the way up to 70%. And that's a really meaningful improvement when you're looking at 1 million parts. For design and production, we're using 3DXpert. We're able to take a true CAD model and improve it for additive manufacturing. The advantages of 3DXpert for 3D metal printing and ultimately for our customers is a faster turnaround and more reliable results. This is the final part. We're able to reduce cycle times for the conventionally machined tool from 35 seconds per shot down to 7.5 seconds per shot. A lot of times, if the temperature is not regulated properly, you'll see defects in the surface of the part. We're able to improve part quality. And then the second thing that you really look for is time. How long is the part taking to manufacture? Can we reduce that cycle time? And that's often a real hidden benefit. The most exciting thing for most of the product teams that we work with is the ability to leapfrog conventional product development processes so they can get a minimum viable product to market significantly faster than they could using conventional methods.